Yearning is contagious, but do you know why? Let me break it down super simple. To understand this, why yearning is contagious, we need to be familiar with two terms: empathy and mirror neurons. Do you know what is empathy or mirror neurons? Empathy means the ability to connect with another person's feeling. And now, what is mirror neuron? Mirror neurons are specialized brain cells that help brain internally simulate observed behaviors. I will explain it. When we see someone yawn, neurons in our brain called mirror neurons, they become fired up. They make us copy what others are doing. It's our brain's way of bonding. And that's why when we see someone yawning, we also yawn. But one fact: kids under 4 to 5 years old and people with less empathy usually don't catch yawns. And lastly, we don't yawn because we need oxygen. It's a myth. Please subscribe our channel for health related information and awareness. Thank you.